Elizabeth with the Newport Historical Society here, and today we have the pleasure of speaking with Alicia from LBCC Historical Apothecary, who's going to tell us about her amazing reproduction historical items.
Yeah, so for those of you who don't know, we are a historical apothecary, and we focus on recipes from the 1660s, I think, is our oldest tooth powder, and then now we're going up into the 1940s. So we mainly focus on the 18th century and the early 19th century products, but we do have quite a wide range, and those include everything from salves to face washes, cold creams, and even some rouges and makeup.
Could you tell us about how you take the historical recipes and then adapt them to the products that are available today?
Sure. So a lot of the recipes, it takes us a while to research them because we try to find all natural, organic recipes, so we don't have to change them that much. However, some products like the white face paint that was really popular in the 18th century and even into the 19th century, they had a hard time killing that product because so many women loved it. But that product in itself, we had to come up with a alternative that was safe, because obviously who wants to put lead on their face, right? So what we did is we found some white lead, and I made an original recipe, and testing it out sounds scary, but we did test it on myself just to see how opaque it was. And then we went through all of the ingredients that were available and came up with something that was very similar, that was 100% safe and natural.
There's such a movement today for natural beauty products and products that are removed from chemicals. Are there any of your historical items that would be relevant for women to wear every day today?
Definitely. A lot of people today really love wearing our historical cosmetics for everyday purposes. Everything's from rouge to pomade, and it may be used a little differently than what they did historically, but that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. And so a lot of our customers are wearing everyday products to work, on the weekends, and we're getting a lot of feedback on our natural face washes, our natural toners, and a lot of our customers are very interested to find out that today we have so many labels for skincare, toners, moisturizers, cleansers. All of these are different categories in our modern world, where historically it was all one category. If you came into my apothecary historically, I would say, well, I think we should try the enlivening wash for you because it works for everything. And a lot of our customers these days are kind of surprised that those categories were created in our modern world just to sell more products. That you can have an all-natural product that has all of these categories taken care of, that will do everything that you're looking for your skin in one bottle.
And I know you've done a lot of research over the years to recreate these products and learning about the material culture that goes with it. What's one or two fun facts that you've learned that are not necessarily obvious to people?
The main false fact that I would like to debunk is that not everybody was dying horrible deaths historically. Cosmetics and skincare products and even medicinal salves, they weren't all laced with mercury and lead and other drugs like that. They were most of the time very natural.
Well, thank you so much for talking to us about all of your products and what you've learned over the years. And if you would like to learn more, you can find LBCC on Etsy, and also visit newporthistory.org to learn more about historical recipes in the Newport Historical Society's collections.